Alright, so we didn't run on day 6 for the ChatGPT workout. We did 1 through 5. Day 3 was a rest day, and then day 7 is a rest day as well. And we're back on, I guess, this cycle. So we're back on day 1, I guess. Technically it's day 8, but we're gonna do it again. And we're gonna make up for day 6 because day 6 was basically the same as day 1 in terms of the workout. So we're making up for it. And honestly, I don't mind not doing it because it was super snowy that day. The best day like ever in winter in Kyoto. But I would have slipped, fell, and died if I ran that day. And I was out all day, just, you know, recording videos, checking out the snow in Kinkakuji and all that stuff. Now it's back to normal. There's still a little bit of snow, but it's definitely not as much as before, unfortunately. I think I should be going this way. But fortunately for my running, it means I won't slip, fall, and die. So let's get back to it. So day 8, we are going to do 1 minute of running at a fast pace, then 2 minutes of rest, and then repeat that until I reach my destination, Ambitious Hana, which is a sukemen place that I'm eating at with a friend. So that's going to be what we're doing. I'll record myself again at the end. We are on our 3rd cycle of the run, and it's quite beautiful here. I feel like I should do a little bit more like running around to get to places rather than always taking the train or the bus. At least for the days I'm supposed to actually work out and run. It just seems like an efficient way to actually train. Earlier it was so cold because of the wind, but right here in this spot it's pretty warm. Actually pretty warm. All the snow is melted here too. It's just the open sun. Oh man. It's beautiful. Alright, here's the bottom part. Looks nice. It's a nice little lake, I guess. Okay, we're on our 4th or 5th cycle now. The 1 minute running is actually quite easy. I feel like I need to increase the time by a little bit, but we'll try to do 7 of them instead of 6 from last time. Maybe even a little more. Let's find out. I think I know what it is. I'm just not running fast enough. I'm running too slowly. Sort of like a light jogging pace, but I feel like it's kind of what I have to do first to warm up, because I didn't warm up, and it's cold, so I can't run that fast, otherwise I risk hurting myself. But I don't mind. I feel like we're still running and we're still getting a workout. The unfortunate part is I don't have my watch because I left it in my backpack last night and I didn't charge it, so I don't get to know what cardio fitness level or what VO2 Max this run is, unfortunately. But it's okay, it's just one missing day for data points. But yeah, I really like just doing this, walking around in new areas and running around. I should definitely do it more. But other than that, I feel like I should just post this video. Like, I know it's not a very good video and there's like so many sound issues, but I really don't mind making it public. It's fine. It's kind of fun to do something new on camera. So I already passed my bus stop. I was planning on like running to the bus stop and then taking the bus afterwards, but I would have had to have waited and I wouldn't have done the full workout. So I'm just gonna run the whole way to Ambitious Hana. That way I feel like I actually deserve the meal. Okay, I believe we just finished the 5th cycle. So normally there would just be 1 more, but I think we'll try 2 more. We're almost there. We'll be ahead of time. It's just kind of funny since some of the time spent when you're taking public transportation is like waiting for the bus to come or waiting for the train to come, and you just keep moving. Like, basically get there at the same amount of time. But after warming up, I'm definitely running much faster, and I'm feeling pretty winded. It's just like 1 minute at this speed is definitely enough. That's it. I'm just gonna try to take a route that's away from cars. The whole time I was running next to cars. But one thing I was concerned about was running with a bag, and like, it's actually okay. The small bag behind me, I don't know if you can see it, but it's not too bad. It's light, it just has my water bottle and a couple of other essentials, and that's it. So it's not too bad. And, you know, okay, good to know that the timer cancels out the video. So timer on my phone went off, video stopped, basically telling me I was talking way too much and I needed to go and run again. But that was it for 6 cycles. We're gonna go on the 7th one pretty soon, and I'm pretty tired, but this is good. This is what I wanted. Man, I regret not bringing my watch. It would have been nice having this data point and seeing like the trail I went on and everything. I'm sure you can do that with your phone too, somehow. I don't know. I haven't looked into it. But yeah, this was nice. It is a new place to walk around and run around. God, I love it. This is like another new activity. I think I'm discovering that I like. I mean, the exploration part I already liked, but like knowing that I'm being productive while doing it, I don't know, it's even nicer. But yeah, feeling good, feeling good. It's a nice day. All right, I just made it to the restaurant. Actually, 5 minutes ahead of the time it would have taken if I took the bus. So now I gotta wait around for my friend before going inside. But yeah, I love it. I think this was like one of the first few times I actually felt like I really enjoyed running. Like I actually kind of want to do it more, like right now and probably in the future, compared to like all the other times I've been in Japan so far and at home. I find running to be a chore. I'm gonna go around to a less occupied space so it's quieter. But yeah, like the last cycle I finished it and then waited around for a light to turn green so I can cross. But I caught my breath, so I'm feeling okay now. But yeah, that was a good run. Like probably my favorite run of like all time in my life so far. Because all my life I've been running around like tracks or like a big circle, and this was like the first time I ran from one place to another that's a bit more long distance. I think it was like 1.5 miles. It's not long. Kyoto City in general is actually kind of small. I think like from Kyoto Station to like this area, it's like 2 miles. So I could run to Kyoto Station from here and it would just take 2 miles. So okay, so I just want to correct myself. From Kitaoji to Kyoto Station, or Kitaoji Station to Kyoto Station, it's more like 4 miles rather than 2 miles. Just wanted to, put this as an insert at the end because I don't like giving like wrong information. Okay, that's it. Yeah, but that was fun. I like doing that, and yeah, I feel like this is kind of an epiphany moment for me. So it's good that I'm recording it and that I recorded the process too. But it was an easier run for sure. It was, 1 minute of running and then 2 minutes of walking, and doing that for 7 times. So definitely easy. But fun and nice and good. Like the exercise is what's important, and I'm doing the training program that ChatGPT gave me. So it's working, or at least I'm doing my best, and it's making me feel like new energy, a new way of approaching exercise. So I'm happy. Anyways, to close off the video, we basically just got to do this more, like run to places instead of just running in circles. It's the same as hiking, I think. Like whenever it's like a hike from one place to a destination, I find the idea way more fun and cool. So I should definitely do that more. Same with hiking. So like do hiking more as well as the running. So 2 new activities that are exercise related, that make me feel good and that I'm working my body, that I just need to do way more of. So that's something that I'm glad that I'm learning. It sounds kind of obvious, but like, I guess being in California all the time and not really, I mean, California has a good amount of hikes too. So once I'm back there, I should try to explore more and ask friends to do stuff with me and walk around beaches and all that stuff. I just like never do it that often, I guess. So yeah, gotta try to get out more. But that's about it for this one. I'll catch you guys in the next one.